name is Teacher Kate. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Betty.
Hello, Teacher Kate.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, today we're going to talk about food. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen and repeat. Meat,
Meat,
yogurt,
yogurt,
fruit,
fruit,
milk,
milk,
cheese,
cheese,
bread, juice, and honey. Alright, very good. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, cheese, bread, juice, honey. Can you hear that music? You know what it means. It means it's time for a song. We'll have 3 moves. We're going to stop. We're going to do the city rock like this. And we're going to do the floss. Okay, get ready. Here we go. Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, stop. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, stop. One more time. Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, stop. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, stop. Alright, that was really good. Next move is city walk. It's like this. Okay, try again. Easy. Alright, get ready. I know you can do it. Ready? Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, city walk. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, city walk. Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, city walk. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, city walk. Wow! Alright, this time we're going to do the floss. Ready? Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, floss. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, floss. Meat, yogurt, fruit, milk, floss. Cheese, bread, juice, honey, floss. Yes! Very good. Wow, look Betty, the food factory. Meat. Do you like meat?
No, I don't.
Yogurt. Do you like yogurt?
Yes, I do.
Fruit. Do you like fruit?
Yes, I do.
Oh, milk. Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
How about cheese? Do you like cheese?
No, I don't.
And bread. Do you like bread?
Yes, I do.
Oh. Juice. Do you like juice?
Yes, I do.
Honey. Do you like honey?
Yes, I do.
All right.
How about you, Teacher Kate? Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Do you like juice?
No, I don't.
Do you like honey?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bread?
No, I don't. Okay, now it's your turn. Do you like meat? Okay. Do you like yogurt? Do you like fruit? Okay. Do you like milk? Do you like cheese? Do you like bread? Do you like juice? Do you like honey? Okay, very, very good, good, good. Okay, it's game time. What's in the fruit factory? Right, honey. Next. Right, juice. What is that? Yes, bread. Go. Yes, cheese. Next. Milk. Oh. Yes, fruit. Next. Yogurt. Yes. And meat. Very good. Okay, it's time for a review. Meat. Meat. Yogurt. Yogurt. Fruit. Fruit. Milk. Milk. Cheese. Cheese. Bread. Bread. Juice. Juice. Honey. Honey. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Wow! Very, very good, good, good. It's so much fun learning English with you. Remember, you can always watch our previous videos. So, that's it for today. Well, thank you. See you.